A merchant and his donkey. One beautiful spring morning, a vendor loaded his donkey with bags of salt to head towards the market so as to sell the salt. While on the way to the market, the vendor as well as his donkey were walking together. They had not walked far when they reached a river bank on the way. Unfortunately, the donkey slipped and he fell into the river. As the donkey scrambled up the bank of the river, the donkey noticed that the bags of salt loaded on his back had ended up being lighter. There was nothing the vendor might do except return to his home, where he loaded his donkey with more bags of salt. As they went beside the slippery shore again, the donkey fell into the river once again, and this time the donkey fell deliberately. Therefore, the salt was wasted away in the river once again. By now, the merchant understood the donkey's technique. He intended to teach the animal a lesson as he returned to his residence the second time along with the donkey. This time, the merchant loaded bags of sponges on its back. The merchant and the donkey set out on their journey to the market. A third time, on reaching the river bank again, the donkey very smartly fell into the water once more. But this time, instead of the load becoming lighter, it became much heavier, as the sponges soaked all the water into it. The merchant laughed at the donkey and said, "You foolish donkey, your trick has actually been discovered. You must know that you cannot mislead or make a fool of anyone too many times."